Good morning, children. Today I will tell you the parts of the plant. I will explain you what is a plant and its parts. What are plants? Plants play an important role in our lives as we depend on them for our basic needs. What are our basic needs? Like they provide us food, clothing, shelter, and medicine. Second is, plants also release oxygen gas which we need for breathing. Now I will tell you the different types of plants. First one is trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. I will tell you about trees. The tall and strong plants are called trees. The branches and leaves of the trees give shape to a tree. Example, coconut tree. Trees differ in different height and shape. Coconut is a very tall tree and mango is a medium height tree. Second is shrubs. Short and bushy plants are called shrubs. Example, rose, hibiscus. And very small plants are called herbs. Example, mint, coriander. And climbers are plants with weak stems. They climb up taking the support of other plants like money plant, grapevine. And next is creepers. Plants that grow along the ground are called creepers. And for example is pumpkin. You can also look on the screen. Now there are different parts of a plant divided into two parts, that is the root and the shoot. First I will tell you about the shoot. The part which grows above the ground is called the shoot. In the picture also you can see the shoot consists of the stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Root. The roots of most of the plants grow below the ground. And now I will tell you about the types of roots. First one is taproot and second is fibrous root. What is a taproot? The single main root that grows from the end of the stem of a plant is called taproot. For example, bean, mustard have taproots. Now, next is the fibrous roots. A number of tiny roots growing from the end of the stem are called fibrous roots. And examples are wheat, grass, onion, etc. And they are having fibrous roots. Now I will tell you about the functions of the root. First one is it fixes the plant firmly in the soil. Second, it absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Third, some roots store food prepared by the plant. Like we eat roots of such plants. In the picture also you can see like carrot, turnip, radish, etc. These are some of the examples. Now what is a stem? The stem is the main part of the shoot. Plants have different kinds of stem. Trees have a hard, strong and woody stem and they are called trunk. Shrubs have thick stem and herbs have soft and thin stem. Climbers and creepers have soft and very weak stem. Now, I will explain you about the functions of the stem. First one is it holds the plant upright and straight. Second function of the stem, it bears other parts of the plant like leaves, fruits, branches and flowers. And some plants store food in the stem. For example, sugarcane. These are the functions of the stem. Now, I will tell you the fourth function of the stem, that it carries water from the roots and food from the leaves to various parts of the plant. Yes. Now I will tell you about the leaf. Leaf is the most important part of a green plant as it prepares food for the whole plant. In the picture also you can see the structure of a leaf. Leaves are also called the food factories of green plants because they prepare food, and a leaf has many parts. Now I will explain you the parts of the leaves. First one is leaf blade. The flat and broad part of a leaf is called leaf blade or lamina, and the number of tiny channels in the form of lines run all over the leaf. They are called veins. The line running in the middle of the leaf is called the main vein. Yes, it is called the main vein. There is one function of the vein also, that veins carry water to the leaves. When we water to the plants, they carry water to the leaves. And a number of small openings called stomata, they are present on the surface of a leaf, and they help in the exchange of gases. Stomata help in the exchange of gases. And leaves also differ greatly in their shapes, in their sizes. Like people leaves have large leaves, and plants like gulmohar, they have small leaves. So they also differ in shapes and sizes. Now I will explain you about the functions of the leaf. It prepares food for the plant in the presence of air, water and sunlight. This was the function. Second is it gives out a gas called oxygen, which is used by human beings and animals for breathing. This is the very important function. Third is some plants store food in their leaves. Yes, like for example spinach, cabbage. These are some of the examples, etc. Now what is a flower? Flowers grow on the stem. They differ greatly in their color, shape and size. In the picture you can see a rose flower. The brightly colored part of the flower are called petals. The green part that encloses the flower in a bud is called sepal, and sepal provides protection to the flower. So the two main important parts are petals and sepal. Now I will tell you about the functions of the flower. It turns into fruit in most of the plants. Second is it makes the plant look pretty and attractive. Yes. Fruit. A flower turns into a fruit. Different fruit contain different types and different numbers of seeds. In the picture you can see that an apple contains a few small seeds, while mango contains a single large seed, and pomegranate has many small seeds. So these are some of the examples. Now functions of the fruit. A fruit's main function is to protect the seed. Second, fruit of most of the plants are edible, like they are eaten by us. For example, orange, apple, mango. We can eat these seeds. Seed. Now what is a seed? Seed are contained mostly in the fruit. Different plants differ in their size, shape and color. So seeds are also of different sizes and shapes. Functions of the seed. The major function of a seed is to give rise to a new plant. Yes. And I will tell you one more important thing. The process by which a seed grows into a new plant is called germination. You can see in the picture also. It is called the germination of a seed. And we eat seeds of plants like wheat, rice and gram, and such seeds are called edible seeds. So by this we ended our chapter. I explained you the parts of the plant and their functions of each and every plant. This was the short video so that you can understand the functions and the parts of the plant. Thank you.